In this video, we are going to see the presentation for OR integrated learning by students of class 10 as part of English language and literature.
Speaking about traditional places of Andhra Pradesh. The topics which are being discussed about Andhra Pradesh are traditional dance, traditional dress, traditional food, famous places, festivals, geographical conditions.
Traditional dance of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the traditional dance of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi derives its name from the village of Kuchilapuram in Andhra Pradesh.
Kuchipudi is characterized by the fast rhythms and the fluid movements, creating a unique blend of control. Kuchipudi is one of the 8 major Indian classical dances. It developed as a regional art linked on traveling boats, temples, and spiritual beliefs, like all major classical dances of India.
Radha Raja Reddy, Shobha Naidu, Manju Baharagavi are some of the famous Indian Kuchipudi dancers. They performed, promoted and popularized the traditional and classical Indian dance form and style of Kuchipudi around the world. The popularity of Kuchipudi has grown within India and it is performed worldwide.
A dancer in a female role would wear a sari with light makeup. The purpose of these dances was to accentuate the cult of bhakti, the pure and unconditioned devotion towards the god of the Hindu mythology, and to establish a direct connection between devotees and deities through the channel of dance.
Traditional dress of Andhra Pradesh. Men in Andhra Pradesh generally wear dhoti and kurta. Before the 14th century, men in Andhra Pradesh wore dhotis just like the men did. But over the years, the length of their dhoti kept increasing, and much later they started using an um, additional piece of cloth to wrap over their shoulders. The additional piece of cloth later got stitched together to form a sari. Some of the tribes like Lambadi, Bajra, and Sugalis wear their own style of dresses. Their use of dresses sustainable to their geographic conditions and climate.
Traditional food of Andhra Pradesh. Puliyogara or tamarind rice along with green chilies is the most popular food in Andhra Pradesh. The vegetarian dishes consist of kura, which include cooking different vegetables in a variety of styles with gravy, frying with lentils, etc. A variety of a fish curry, popularly known as chipa pulusu in the state of Andhra, is a hot piquant dish with the fish tossed in tamarind sauce and assorted with spice flavorings and tamarind juice to give it a for taste. Pesarathu is prepared often for breakfast in Andhra and regions nearby. The yummy dosa made with green moong dal is a zesty dosa variant loved by everyone in the state. The moong dal dosa is served commonly with coconut chutney or chili tomato chutney.
Famous places of Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati. Tirupati is a city in Chittoor district of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Its Sri Venkateswara temple sites at top one of the 7 peaks of Tirumala Hills. The hill's summit at an elevation of 2,800 feet (850 meters) is a temple of great antiquity. The temple, nested among the sacred waterfalls and tanks and dedicated to Venkateswara, is a fine example of Dravidian art and is one of the most important pilgrimage centers in India. Amaravati, known as the capital of Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati is a planned city on the banks of the river Krishna. Amaravati is renowned for being a site of Buddhist stupa, that is a semi-hemispherical structure containing Buddhist relics and often called the abode of God.
Famous festival of Andhra Pradesh. Ugadi. Ugadi is the New Year's Day for the states of Andhra Pradesh. It is festival observed in this region on the first day of the Hindu lunisolar calendar of the month Chaitra. Ugadi also coincides with the onset of spring and the harvest season. The word Ugadi is derived from two different words, Yuga, that means age, in Sanskrit, Adi, that means beginning of both Sanskrit and Kannada. Makar Sankranti, Mahi, is the festival day of the Hindu calendar dedicated to the dead Surya. It is observed each year in the lunar month of Maha, which corresponds with the month of January. It is a day the people of India and Nepal celebrate their harvest.
Geographical conditions of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has a landmass of 1,60,205 kilometers square. The climate of Andhra Pradesh is generally hot and humid. Andhra Pradesh lies between 12°41 and 19.07° north latitude and 77° and 84°40 east longitude. It is bordered by Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Orissa in the north, the Bay of Bengal in the east, Tamil Nadu to the south, and Karnataka to the west. The state draws its name from the Andhra people who have inhabited the area since antiquity and developed their own language, Telugu. Andhra Pradesh is an exporter of many agricultural products. Rice, sugarcane, cotton, chili pepper, mango, and tobacco are the local crops. The state has three main physiographic regions: the coastal plain to the east extending from the Bay of Bengal to the mountain ranges. The mountain ranges themselves, the Eastern Ghats, which form the west flank of the coastal plain, and in the southwest, the plateau to the west of the Ghats. Andhra Pradesh recorded 4.97 crores of the people living in 2011.
State Tree and Animal of Andhra Pradesh. NEEM and Black Book have declared as the state tree and animal respectively of Andhra Pradesh.
State Bird of Andhra Pradesh. Indian roller is a state bird of Andhra Pradesh.
State game of Andhra Pradesh. Kabaddi is the state game of Andhra Pradesh. The game is known by numerous names in different parts of South Asia, such as Kabaddi or Chedugudu in Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you for everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, it was well done presentation. They
Thank you.
focused on the art form of Andhra Pradesh. It was well presented, focused, and to the point. They did not deviate from the point. So everything was presented well. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
and it was very clear. Even the audio and the video was clear, except one or two students. No, except Sanjay Ram. Others did not show your face, but when Sanjay Ram presented, I was able to get the feel of the presentation. So in the future, I request others also to follow him. Okay, so that we know the audience get interested in you. Okay, you are also learning to be speakers, learning to become speakers. So I also have to give you marks for speaking and listening, and this presentation which you are doing can also be used as a tool to evaluate you on your speaking presentation. Okay, so wonderful. I shall ask you some questions now. The group concerned can answer. After my question session, the classmates can ask questions if they have got any, if they want to clarify anything, or the group concerned can also ask questions to the group members or to the classmates. How can you use the art form of a particular state? Or how can the art form of one particular state be used as a tool of integration? You must speak from your mind. How can the art form of one particular state or one particular culture be used as a tool of integration, harmony, understanding, respect? Is my question clear? My question, is it clear? Raviraja, Sanjay Ram.
So repeat again the question, sir.
Okay, how can the art form of a particular culture or a particular state be used as a tool of understanding, harmony, and above all, integration? How can the art form be a uniting factor to bring about understanding and respect towards each other's culture? Am I clear now? You must think and say. Give some example. I shall give you one example. By coming to know the art form of the other state itself is a step taken by an individual to create a respect. Okay, coming to know about the art culture. The fact that you are willing to study about the art culture or the language or the way they live their life itself is an evidence that you have respect for their culture. I have given you one example, one example to start with. Now the group concerned has to give any other example. I said learning, anything other than that.
Here we can know the history of the particular state that they have lived
Hmm.
for, for like this.
Okay, you can come to know about the history of that particular state and the art form and how it originated. Okay, that's good. Very nice.
How the
Raviraja, you said something? Others? It's a very important question. Such question can also come indirectly in the examination. If not in English, or in social science, it will come. Integration. Anybody else also can answer. Anybody else from the class. Open to all. Others can also answer. Okay, I shall give you one more example. After learning or coming to know about the art culture or the form of another state, what do? You practice and you put it up. Okay, you perform it in your own state. That is another thing. Okay, that is a second step. You perform it and they like it. You also like theirs. You come to know about it. How do you respect others' culture? How do you respect others' other state? Only if you come to know about it. Only if you come to know about it, you can respect them. Okay. How can someone respect the language called Tamil without knowing it? They have to come to know it. They have to learn it. They have to write literature. They have to write books. Okay, we have got so many legends. Okay, even Europeans who came down to India, who came down to Tamil Nadu, have produced wonderful pieces of literature like Veerama Munivar. Okay, he's from an European country. His original name is Joseph Besky. He learned the culture and he also became a master. Okay, that is an integration. Okay, I'm only answering your question. Some more examples, some more. You are all young, so you must be able to think creatively.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, we should learn the particular dance and perform it in our own state, sir.
Okay.
From that, we can respect that particular culture, sir.
Okay, you can show your respect in that way. That's all right. When I had said that one. Anybody else? Sanjay Ram? Who is this Komati? What's your name? The name is girl's name, but the voice was boy's name.
Sir, I'm Subhash. Sir.
Subhash.
Kripa. Kripakaran. Oh, Prabhakaran. Okay, okay.
So Subhash, sir.
Anybody else? So there are so many things that you can talk about. Okay, you can perform it, you can learn about it. Okay, you can learn the language. Okay, no language is a barrier. Okay, to come to know each other. Only when you come to know others' language, others' culture, you will be able to respect it. Okay, in India, learning the art form is a starting point to respect each other because in India we have got so many languages, okay, so many cultures, unlike European countries. If you go to European countries, for example, if you go to America or any other country, they have got only one language. If you go to France, they have got only one language all over the country, French. If you go to America, only English. Okay, if you go to Japan, okay, in other countries other than India, they speak only Japanese. In Russia only they speak Russian language. In German, they speak only in their language, only one language. Only in India we are privileged to have so many languages. So that is why integration of art form plays a vital role. Okay, and it has to be done in all subjects. In English we are doing it because English is the master of all subjects. You learn all the other subjects in English. Okay, other subject also has to do it. They will have to do it. I hope they will also do it. I shall ask you one more question. The question goes to Sanjay Rao. Can you speak of some significant things about the art form of Andhra Pradesh? Some significant things or things of uniqueness, something different, something that you can talk about it. What is it that you like most in the art form of Andhra Pradesh? Sanjay Ram,
Yes,
keep your video on.
sir.
Say, what is it that you like most in the art form of Andhra Pradesh?
So art form of Andhra Pradesh is as best from the India's control, sir.
Hmm.
It is one of the best arts from India, sir. Major collections are there, sir.
Okay.
About their history.
What is it that you like very much?
So the art which is made of their history, sir. Which speak about their history.
Okay,
The
good.
art.
So when you speak about the art that speak about the history, you begin to respect them much more. That's what you mean. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Anybody else from the class to answer any question or contribute anything? So it is a well presented present